What is up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. Please do me a favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. Let's go ahead and take a look at XRP, guys. I need to make sure that I can express to you the importance of making sure to watch these videos all the way. Now, why do I say that, guys? Well, if we take a look at this screen right over here, right, you're going to notice that this is, in fact, yesterday's video, right, guys? So this was me mentioning running a little bit late, out of time. I needed to get to the master students, right? But yes, this was the target here to 283.26, meaning that we would go to the $2.83 zone, 283.26 to just about 289.97, right? This marks right in this area here, guys. So now if you focus on this here, let's just go ahead and flip the screen here and take a look at what happened with price action, right, guys? We are now well within that area there, right, guys? So now you know, now you know the importance of watching these videos, because that happened towards the end of the video, and there's no telling when I'm going to be able to come up with that target, right, guys? I do look at these things in a very non-scripted manner, as I think that that's part of the, you know, that kind of works with the magic here. So I want to make sure that you guys kind of know that I do favor one side. It's not just about, oh, it could go up and it could go down, right? It's not just like that, guys. It's not like that at all. I'll always give you my perspective, right? So anyway, yes, we were talking about a potential top side of 283.26 to just about that 289.97. Now, price action actually came up on, let's see, on the daily time frame, right? So this is the daily time frame here, giving us an upper side at the high, right? The H right up there. Take a look at it. So giving us a 28.41 out of the 28.36, 28, what is it? What is right here? Let me see. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah, 283.41 out of the 283.26 that we actually provided, right? So not bad at all, guys. And I still see that there could be, you know, upside, especially now after we saw this massive pump. It feels like BTC is getting ready for something interesting. Okay, guys. So let's go ahead and take a look at a couple things here. Maybe take a look at volatility versus momentum in the immediate short term to see if we get some continuation here, guys, right? Because of course, at any moment here, we can get some type of a pullback. You know, to validate some supports, and then we could continue forward. Okay, guys. So yeah, we're getting a little bit of consolidation within the 10-minute time frame, a little contractive as well, which means that, you know, low market participants is present right now. Okay, 15-minute time frame also displaying a little bit of consolidation. Same situation here with the volatility metric. It's still a little bit sideways, right, guys? So I mean, fair enough, man. We actually just made this move here earlier today. So, you know, it would take a little bit of energy away from the trade, right? But when do we start seeing that upside? So we still have about an hour's worth of downside here, and it looks like we would start seeing the upside right at about the bi-hourly time frame. Okay, guys, so that would also be equivalent to the downside in the bi-hourly, giving us 6 cents of decrease from the opening valuation of this bi-hourly candle, which would put us at an ATR low of about 275, and it looks like the low of the candle right here came down to 277. So not bad. But yes, there is an upside starting officially here around the 2-hour time frame, and it does show continuation even still, right? It shows continuation all the way up to, wow, damn. Okay, well, that's surprising. All right, so about a week's worth of upside on this, giving us about a 47 cent range. Now that would be from the opening of the weekly bar, right? So that would give us, let's see, a current ATR top of just about $2.86, right, guys? That would be 286.76. And of course, you know that at the top side of this candle here, looking at the H, right, for the OHLC, the open, high, low, close, you can see the 283.73. So very, very accurate times here when it comes to the algorithms, average true range and all that stuff, guys. Well, I mean, it is important for us to observe things like this anyway, right, guys? Which, by the way, reminds me, I know that I've been kind of shooting to the stars here and giving you guys some like massive numbers here to kind of correlate things to, but I want to kind of bring things down just a little bit, you know, kind of notch it down a level or two. And I want to introduce to you something that could possibly give us a little bit of, I would say maybe even a a passive income opportunity, right, guys? And that's through the means of this algorithm that we just developed here. And I'm in the process of maybe closing out because it's starting to deliver some good results. Now, imagine this, right? You started a $10,000 account in September of 2024, right? So just about 4 or 5 months ago. And you were using the ARCa script, right? This is the Alpha 1 script. Now, given that your execution rate right now for your broker platform is sitting at around 0.08%, this is what you've generated, right, guys? So over the span of September to present day, those few months there, you've generated 219%. Otherwise, you made on top of your $10,000 entry another $21,000, just about $22,000, guys. So what I'm saying here is to make sure to get that algorithm at the top right before this thing just completely goes away. As soon as this starts delivering the cash that I wanted to deliver, guys, that's going to be the proof of concept, and I will never mention it again. Okay, guys? So anyway, let's go ahead and continue on with XRP and see what's up, guys. Okay, so yeah, we were observing here potential downside and consolidation for the immediate short term. But I mean, as soon as we start reaching the what looks like could be the bi-hourly time frame or even the 3-hour time frame, which, by the way, they're about to open here, right? 14 minutes to go on both the hourly and the 3-hour time, and I believe that could be the 6-hour time as well. Yep, that's going to be the 1, 2, 3, and 6-hour time frames, guys. We're going to get just a little bit of a pullback here. That would be roughly around the areas of this right here, guys. I'm going to go ahead and try to finish this video off quickly so that you can get your butts some opportunities in the market, right, guys? Yeah, I'm looking at something just about like this here, right, for a short-term pull. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and adjust it to that point right there. Okay, so yeah, I'm looking at a probability of this of these targets here, right? The collective effort of these 3 targets. 274.66, 275.80, and 277.01 could be the 6-hour 50% decompression, or it could also be the prior bar pullback, right? So as soon as the next bar prints, it would retrace the prior bar's 50% range and then continue towards the upside. The reason we can say upside continuation, guys, is because even in the immediate short term, yes, we're completely cooked in stochastic momentum, meaning that we're already critically overbought. It's still suggesting upside nonetheless. Okay, so that would huge thrust in the 12-hour daily time frame and even into the bi-daily, guys. So yeah, there's still some upside to go on this, man. So I mean, fucking wow. So now let's say that we have 1 day and 19 hours here to close the weekly time frame. If that weekly time frame opens up anywhere between that 275 or 280, $2.80 target, well, that would give us an ATR of roughly about 50 cents. So that's telling us here that we would be blasting off towards upper bound targets. I'm thinking about anywhere between 306 to maybe 310. So let's see how that plays out overall. Okay, guys. Now remember that this is something that you're able to join, guys. Make sure to hit me at the ARC Master Course. I am an instructor and I can teach you how to be able to trade the financial markets. Okay, guys. But with that said, I think it's a pretty good place to leave off. Any questions, you know where to reach me. Okay, team. Yeah, we'll talk very, 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 very soon. All right, team. Adios, everybody. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Ever, 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 ever. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well, a very, very good rest of your night and or day, and I will catch you at the bell on Tuesday. Adios, team. Oh, yeah.